Good day, class. We still want to continue and solve more problems on physical chemical changes. I also want to consider separation techniques by the question on the board. So a mixture of sand, ammonium chloride and sodium chloride is best separated by sublimation followed by addition of water and filtration. Sublimation followed by addition of water and evaporation. Addition of water followed by filtration and sublimation. Addition of water followed by crystallization and sublimation. So this problem is a question on separation techniques. So we see that ammonium chloride and sand and sodium chloride. The pointer to this question is the word ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is part of compounds that can sublime, that is, they can move from solid to liquid. So if you look at this option, the first option is to go about by using sublimation, which is this. This option B also has sublimation. We see that when ammonium chloride sublime, we are left with sand and sodium chloride. And sand and sodium chloride can best be separated just by adding water. When you add water, the sodium chloride will be soluble in water. So which can, the end result, which will be left with sand, and you can use filtration. So the best option here is what? Sublimation followed by addition of water and filtration is option A. So we have another question on the board. Classify each of the following changes as either a physical or chemical change. We define physical changes as changes which are easily reversible but no new substance is formed, while chemical changes are changes that are irreversible, that is, they are not reversible, but new substances are formed. Physical, reversible, reversible, but no new substances are formed. Chemical changes irreversible, but new substances are formed. So look at the addition of water to quicklime. Is it a physical or chemical change? How do you know if it is a physical or chemical change? Number one, note if it is just new substances are formed, no new substances are formed. Number two, note that if you move from the forward reaction, the backward reaction also give you the forward reaction. So let's see, the addition of water to quicklime is a chemical change. Why? Slicking of lime is a chemical change. Quicklime means calcium oxide. Addition of quicklime to water is a chemical, is an exothermic reaction. So this chemical change. The melting of candle wax, melting, all separation techniques by melting, vaporization, evaporation, they are physical change. So this is a physical change. The next one is change in color of zinc oxide from white to yellow and vice versa during heating and after cooling respectively. We see that change in color of zinc oxide, we're only changing the color. There is no new substance that is formed. That is, do you have another substance that is formed? No, it's only change in color. So this is an example of a what? Physical change. Change in color. We also have the dissolution of common salt in water. When you add salt plus water, it's only a physical change. So this is physical change. We have the dissolution of copper in concentrated thiazonitrile acid. We are adding copper with an acid. So this is definitely a chemical change. So we have C for chemical change. And we have the hardening of cement by the absorption of carbon dioxide. Let's see with the one I've solved. Let me see your solution in the comment section. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.